We asked students one question: what does your study setup actually look like? Notion, PDF, YouTube, ChatGPT, Anki, all open at once. Nobody designed it that way. It just happened. What if you could have one study space where everything lived? That's what we are building with Amphi, and today we're launching Amphi 1.0. Let's see it in action. Instead of split screening, you have all your resources in one place. Widgets can be placed anywhere on the canvas. Toggle them on and off when you need them, or add them into the sidebar instead. And everything is connected. Take a snapshot from anywhere and it will link back to its source. We've also embedded AI directly into where you actually study. Simply circle anything and get help immediately. Add lecture slides or course materials for your context, and even build your own personal AI tutors. But how are students actually using Amphi?
Honestly, I barely leave the app. Everything I need is just there. I like to organize my work with the widgets as well.
For me, it's having all my documents right there in my notes, so I can just grab a snapshot whenever I need it. The AI lasso is probably my favorite thing in the app. I use the explain tool constantly. And I've actually built out different AI tutors so I get different kinds of responses.
Find has been the most useful for me when I'm looking for related papers or resources. I also like that it's flexible. I can annotate PDFs, write notes, and move things around.
I've kind of built my own system in it now. I like my notes to look a certain way. Flashcards are a non-negotiable for me. I generate them straight from my materials, work through them, and track how I'm doing over time. And sometimes I'll just throw in a mind map if a topic needs it.
For maths, I'm just doing a lot of time past papers. Whenever I get stuck, I like to use the next function. I find it really helpful.
You don't need 5 different apps to study. You need one space that adapts to the way you learn. That is Amphi. We're live on the App Store today with unlimited note-taking and learning. And if you're an Android, Windows, or Mac, join the waitlist.